Hey travel lovers, hey travel lovers, hey travel lovers. Come join us on a small group Tuscany tour of your dreams this year in 2021 from October 9th through the 16th. You wanna hear more? Let's get into it. After our trip to Tuscany, the KM0 tours, we knew we had to make a small group tour so that you guys could join us and have some of these incredible experiences yourselves. Because I swear, I did not even know these experiences were available without being in some big box tour group that has like 50 people on it. But this has a max of 12 people. So very, very limited. The link's below if you want to go ahead right now and read all about it and then sign up with your deposit because it's going to fill up fast. We already have people interested and I can't wait to meet you. Sean can't wait to meet you. Ariana and Alessio, the owners of KM0 Tours, can't wait to meet you. And one of the best parts about this tour is the people. And Ariana and Alessio, you are going to love them as much as I do when it's all over. So let's get into what you actually get, right? So this is 8 days, 7 nights, all inclusive. Yes, you don't have to worry about a thing. We'll pick you up and drop you off in Florence or the airport. It covers all transportation throughout the trip, all the food, your accommodation. It is just so nice to not have to think about any of that. And the accommodation is a beautiful countryside Tuscan house in the rolling hills, like with the most amazing views, and we loved it. We stayed there when we went. And the owners, Massimo and Miranda, are gonna be there with their little puppy, and they're so ready to welcome you, and it's gonna be amazing. Okay, drinking game. How many times am I gonna say amazing or awesome? Go. Okay, so what are the activities? Well, I'm gonna have to use my notes because it's a lot. Remember, this is going to be a foodie lover's delight. So this is all about the food, the wine, the culture, and the views. So, are you ready? Drum roll, please. Okay. We'll be visiting family-owned wineries and tasting fresh local wine. And we're talking small producers, the ones that you're not even gonna be able to find in the grocery stores. It's seriously a treat. We'll be taking a bread class, having a pizza party, a polenta party, participating in a truffle hunt, learning how to cook local favorites, tasting the freshest olive oil because we will be there during olive harvest time, and that is right after grape harvest time. We'll be having a pasta workshop, visiting a local trattoria, taking a foodie hike with a picnic, aperitivo in a vineyard, play with goats, have cheese tastings, visit a crystal factory, and visiting some of the most famous, beautiful towns and villages in Tuscany in the rolling hills. Oh my gosh, are you excited yet? Seriously, I can't wait to go back, sorry. Calming down. But really, it's gonna be amazing. Okay, so all of that, your accommodation, transportation to Florence, transportation during, and having the best people on the planet take you around. So you're probably like, yes, I wanna go. How much does it cost? Well, 8 days, 7 nights, all inclusive, it's going to be 2,400 euros, and that is for double occupancy. And all of the details, all of the information, probably most of your questions are gonna be in the blog post. I'm gonna leave that link down below so you can check it out. At the bottom of the blog post is a contact form and you can go there and let me know that you are ready to join us. You may also be wondering about, the little thing going on. So if you can't come because of the pandemic, because you're not allowed to travel or whatnot, you will get a voucher that's good for a year, and we are planning to do this next year as well. So you can just use it next year, or you can book your own trip. That's fine too, but we'll miss you. We'll miss you next year. But yeah, so we have that all planned out. Again, the details are all down there. Go check them out. If you have any other questions, you can use that contact form to email me and ask. So Sean and I did a lot of these things last year and we just had the best time. I can promise you, you are going to go home with your cheeks hurting from smiling too much, your tummy full from the most amazing food, and you will have so many wonderful memories and probably photos to take home and share with your family and friends. So let's kick off 2021 with something amazing to look forward to. I have high hopes that we're going to all be able to travel by fall, so go ahead and book it so that you can join us, and because I really can't wait to meet you. It is going to be so much fun, and I will hopefully see you there. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Like the video if you love the idea of a small group tour in Tuscany, and leave a comment down below and let me know if you've ever been before. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.